Hey guys, this is Varun from Creators Anchor, where I upload videos about designing, editing and social media. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and thanks for your love and support. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create paint drift effect on your photo in Pixlr.com. If you don't know what Pixlr is similar to Canva and Photoshop. It is a free online tool, but if you need some advanced feature, then you have to upgrade with a very minimal cost. If you are planning or want to upgrade, please use the link in the description. I will get some commission and it will help me to keep running this channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you have to open Pixlr.com, then go to Pixlr Advanced Photo Editor, Pixlr E. Click on Create New. I am going to select this size. You can select any size you want. Click on this 1080p and click on Create. Now this is the layer, first layer. Now go to the Fill here, click here and click on this and select white color. OK. Now color of this is white, foreground color is white and background color is black. Now click on this Fill button and click here. Now your background is white. Now click on Arrange tool here. Now go to Layer menu and add image as layer. Now click on this photo. I will provide link of these images in the description. Now this image is add here. Now resize this. You can use these to increase or decrease the size of this photo. Decrease and resize this photo. Now increase the size. This looks good. Now again go to layer, add image as layer. Now here is paint effect. Click on this. Now resize this image also like this. Increase the size. Now click on this paint drip effect here and drag it on top of this image. Now this is front. Position it here. Now right click on this image, paint image, and under blend mode select lighten. Now you can reposition this. This looks good. Now your paint drip effect is almost ready. Now you can see here is some unwanted design here. I want to delete it. So click on this image and right click and click merge down. So select this eraser tool and erase any unwanted design. Make sure your image layer is selected, not the background image. Sorry, you can use Ctrl Z to undo. Now you can see your paint drip effect is ready on your photo. You can use that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please write in the comment section and make sure you give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other video about tips, tricks or tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.